welcome to this video. We're going to talk a little bit about problem of the ears, like tinnitus, ringing in the ear, or simply just issue or difficulty hearing with one ear or the other. From an emotional standpoint, the explanation that we often find is I am experiencing something that I just cannot hear anymore. And it depends on a few factors, but it can be both ways. It can be either I am so sick and tired of hearing this thing that my ear is just gonna get inflamed, so that that ringing will not let me hear that thing that I'm done with. But it can happen on the other way, that I miss someone's voice so much, or I miss specific words from somebody, and my ear will try to become more in tune, and could also cause inflammation, which in turn might lead to some hearing disorder. So what I usually find when there is some kind of hearing issue is going to be two poles, black and red, or north and south, on top of the ear on each side. On some cases it's just black on the right, red on the left, or vice versa, depending on what kind of emotion it is. We call it special biological programs, where the body is acting a certain way because it needs to cope with a specific emotion. So if you're having difficulty with your ears, with ringing, tinnitus, any kind of inflammation, perhaps if it's connected to emotions, that kind of stress, that kind of thing where you don't want to hear no more a certain kind of problem person, it's going to make the healing process very, very slow. So you need to work on the emotions. Once you release the emotions, then the ears can heal faster. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.